Hello, welcome back. In this segment, I will talk about CBC padding Oracle attack. I'm actually going to make a series of presentations on CBC padding Oracle attack. Let me first start with a very basic attack, how to find the length of the plain text, just using a padding Oracle. In the previous segment, I talked about using an online encryption decryption program and demonstrated to you how you could find the length of the plain text from the ciphertext. Today, I will show my own program and explain to you how padding Oracle can be leveraged to do a decryption. Okay, I will take it in multiple phases. In the first phase, I will just focus on finding the length of the plain text from the ciphertext. Okay, remember in CBC mode encryption, there is a padding. Usually we do padding for CBC mode, and the padding is based on the length. Okay, suppose the length of the plain text is not a multiple of the block size, then we add padding here. So let's assume we are using AES as the block cipher. Let's say this is AES. Okay, this is AES. Okay, so AES requires 16 bytes as input, and in the context of CBC mode, we take the ciphertext of the previous block, XOR it with the plain text, and then call the AES. So what if the plain text is not a multiple of 16 bytes? So in that case, we add padding to make it multiple of 16. I talked about it in the previous segment. Okay, so now the question is, how can I find the length of the plain text given the length of the ciphertext? You can just simply count all the bytes of the ciphertext, right? Until here, easy. But then you don't really know how many bytes are padded here. Okay, therefore, we don't know how many bytes here have to be ignored. Okay, that's the challenge. And I will show to you how to solve that challenge easily. All right, let's get started. First, I will show to you the basic primitives that I have put together for padding Oracle attack. First is the very basic one that you're seeing is CBC core. What I call CBC core is basically using Java's cipher class, right? Get the instance of the padding. This is the usual padding we do for AES in CBC mode. And then we instantiate a secret key object. It's called secret key spec. As you can see here, the program takes key, IV, and the mode is either encryption or decryption. So if you set the mode to be encryption, that mode is used here. As you can see here, the data will be encrypted. Okay, if you set the mode to be decryption, then the data will be decrypted. Okay, and therefore you get back the decrypted data as the return value. So this is the basic building block. As you can see here, it throws an exception. I should have been more specific about the type of exception, but for this demo, it's okay. You can assume if something goes wrong in the encryption decryption process, the program will throw an error. That's the exception. Okay. Okay. So this is the basic CBC algorithm. This is how we are going to use it. The algorithm is implemented inside the Java library. For our purpose, this is enough. Okay. Now let me show to you other important code fragments. Padding Oracle that I have put together. Okay. A padding Oracle takes a secret key as an input. So we are initializing the padding Oracle with the secret key, as you can see here. Of course, the secret key is private, so nobody should be able to access it. And the padding Oracle will answer only one question. Okay. The question is, given an IV and a ciphertext, it will call the CBC core process method that I just talked about. If there is an exception, right? Exception, that means the control will come here. It will say, yeah, padding failed. Okay, something went wrong. Therefore, it will return true. Has padding error is true. If there is no exception, that means everything is fine, and it will say false, meaning there's no padding error. Okay, that's basically the padding Oracle. So now the question is, if you are given an access to the padding Oracle, which takes an IV and a ciphertext, both are public, can you find out the length of the ciphertext? That's the first question. Okay, and the answer is yes. That's what I'm going to show to you now.